this is Sandy Queen of the Heart, and I'm back with a project. I wanted to kill my paper pack of a dog's tail. So I did share the projects I had made. I made a scrapbook. I had made a layout, and then I'm going to show you the last two projects that I made. Now, I had recently, from the Tonic Wednesday deals, I guess they are, they had, this is the thing that Poet Spice had done a project. And like a week after or a couple of days after I saw her project, I asked her what this die was called. They had this as a Wednesday die deal, but they only had it through the UK site. They did not have it in the US site. So I did pay some premium for shipping. So it came in a bundle. It was this one, and then I was going to try to play with this one. So this is the Legacy Curio Keepsake die set. And the pieces on this are much smaller than I thought they were going to be. So anyway, the project I had in mind for it did not work, but I am going to play with that one too. So that one's out. But this is the one that I decided to use for some of my pieces. And I actually don't have the little front piece that you would have, the little base piece of the kit that tells you what's in the kit, what papers look like. Because I actually cut that apart and used that for this project because I needed like some more paper. So I basically used everything with these two projects. This project, I used this die. It's called the Legacy Keeper Creator Die Set. And it's by Tonic, and it's part of the My Memory Book collection. When I looked for it on the US site, I didn't see it, but they might have it now. But anyway, it was a deal. So I got those two dies that I just showed you. They're really big dies, and you need a big machine for them. I think shipped, it was like under $50 shipped from the UK. So it wasn't too bad. But they're huge dies. You need a bigger machine. I have the Spellbinders Platinum machine, so it has a much bigger footprint. So if you have a smaller machine, like a Cuttlebug, a 6-inch base, those dies won't fit in there. So just a word of warning there. So I've got this little, some, what do you call this stuff? This ribbon, this dyed ribbon for my stash. And so this is the way it works. Now you can customize this. There are ways that you can make it look different. I just did it the way that it came in the die. The front, I actually used a piece of that front little, I don't know what you call it, the little sheet that tells you what's in the paper, the name of the paper pack and everything, but it has like all the paper collections in it. I cut that for the front and also the back because I needed some more paper. And then this is a sticker from the collection, and it says a house is not a home without a dog. So this is the way that it opens. So if you don't like these flaps, or if you just want like one flap or whatever, you could cut these flaps off. You could even cut these pieces off that go down if you just wanted something that just folded. I mean, you have a lot of options with how you want to do it, but this is how it looks when you open it up. And I used stickers from the sticker sheet, and then all the papers that I could find, that I had left, because right now all I have left is stickers. Everything else is used except for little tiny pieces of scrap, which I threw away. So I feel really good. And I did a project here. So anyway, it comes with layering pieces that die does, so it's great. So it comes with these little layering pieces. So you flip it up, and I did some more layering there, and then I did stickers from the sticker sheet. And then it pops down like so, where you can put your pictures. And you could probably put your pictures this way if you wanted to as well. And so that is that project. There we go, that project. And then I had some pieces left. So anyway, what I did was I just made an envelope out of the the paper that I had left from, because I had for a dog's tail, I had the dog's tail paper kit, and I also had the accompanying cardstock sheets. So from the cards, one of the cardstock sheets I had left, I went ahead and I made an envelope. And so I just used Velcro. It's kind of a tight envelope. I didn't cut it down really well, but I used a piece that I had left on my scrap, Pam for your pet. And then when you open it up, it has, woof woof means I love you in dog. You open it up, it's got this like little sheet in there. And then all the cut parts that I had left that I did not use. Because what someone could do then is they could just mat these and put them on a card, a 5x5 card, or because I think it's a 4x4, on a 5x5 card, or 4 1/4 and a 4 1/4 card. They could just put these right on there, and you got a card if you wanted to do that. But they just fit right in here. And then I just used a little Velcro piece I had in my stash. And the front is a scrap. This is a scrap. These are stickers from the sticker sheet. And so that is how I killed this paper kit. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy at Crying at the Heart.